Being a jewelry designer, you can learn so much techniques and unique ways. All you need is the proper tools. So with the proper tools, you can make the best, finest quality jewelry. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are trying to find a hobby or something, you know, that you can make money from, then you're at the right place, because I design jewelry. Yes, I do, semi-precious stones. But I found a really great place on Amazon Findings, Amazon, that we love Amazon, that they had these really great jewelry tools. And I got my hands on them. Amazon has very fast shipping, and this company produced high-end quality jewelry, like to make handmade jewelry tools. So if you want to do the wired earrings, the necklace, stringing beads, the wired rings, all those great things, you're gonna have to first get this product that you're gonna need, because these are the tools that's going to get the jewelry going. Like, you know, to get it creative. I mean, to make it. Everybody wants to make some little extra cash on the side, so why not invest in a jewelry kit and start making jewelry today, you guys? This box is so cute. I love pink. I love pink so much. Look how easy it is. It's easy to explain of the detail. It's really nice and elegant. I love this, love this. This is the high-end jewelry tools that you need to make wonderful, fabulous jewelry. Yes, jewelry, like wire jewelry, the necklaces, everything, you guys. Oh, they sell so much other things on there too as well, so you better check it out. It's on Amazon. That company right there. All these great wires, every color you can imagine. So now I can get started making those anklet bracelets, making regular bracelets, making the wired, beautiful, beautiful crowns. I'm talking about the little wired, really, really, really cool high-end detailed rings. But this is the #1 kit that you need. This is it right here, you guys. Look at that, all that pink. You know, each one of these almost would cost you $15 to $20 something at a craft store, but you can get it right here on Amazon for so much less. And the handle and the quality of it is so up tier. Like, to have that little lock right there is perfect. So when you hook it on there, you can definitely display it properly, not lose it, has a good spring to it. And look at that color. This is so well made, and you need the best tools if you're going to make the best jewelry. So sorry, in this video, I will not be showing you how I make some wonderful jewelry, but I will be showing you some of my jewelry and what tools I use to make that proper jewelry. Now, this is the one tool that you definitely would need. It has to be extremely sharp, as this one is super sharp, because this one is going to cut the wire, cut the metal, cut the chain, cut it. This one curls and twirls. It's gonna make those little loops that you need for the earrings, or when you add a little bead, you need to curl it at the end or twist it or whatever. These are the two that I use the most. Like, they have to have good spring, good grip. I can hold on to it really good, and it feels good. This is great. And I like the weight of it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. If you're going with a thicker copper metal that you might use for a ring, then you're gonna use something like this to cut it. I like that they have this safety. It's so easy to pull off, and it opens. And you can use these as very sharp, extremely sharp scissors too. But I mean, everything here is just simply great. Like, I will use every piece here, every piece. So let's show you some of the jewelry. Being a jewelry designer, you can learn so much techniques and unique ways. All you need is the proper tools. So with the proper tools, you can make the best, finest quality jewelry. So these are all adjustable rings, semi-precious stones. Aren't those fabulous? And like some of those tools I showed you guys earlier, this is what I use to curl it and bend it and twirl it. You see that? Coconut beads. And then the same thing with this one. This chain is very thick, so that's why you needed those scissors. And you curl it and twirl it right there. This was an old dog leash, and I was like, oh, let me just turn it into a necklace with this citrine on there. And look at that ring, that amethyst. That's just a little piece. If you guys do like my jewelry, you can always check it out right there at Chablee on Instagram. And I think that's it. I'm gonna make some jewelry. Now that I got these fabulous tools, I'm going to continue making lovely jewelry because with these tools, it helps me and it gives me the tools I need to make extravagant, wonderful hoops. I mean, I'm talking about embellishments of little flowers with the metal and the tiara crowns that are just simply amazing. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right there, you guys, and I'll see you again on another Amazon findings because I'm finding some amazing things on Amazon.